Huh?
My deepest apologies if I was the cause of any—
Exploding shuriken!
A monster!
You could throw 100 more of those things. You would not harm me.
Maybe, but you haven't even hit me, Puppet Man.
He's dangerous.
Master, the Stalker's presence is an affront. I will do the world a favor and rid it of his existence.
A slug like you could never get rid of me. You sure you still want to fight when you've already shown me all you've got? Watch, Saitama! Bear witness! After I turn your disciple into scrap, you're next!
Such intense hatred. Even just standing there, I can sense his extraordinary combat ability.